Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with some great new colors for Casetify's MagSafe Impact Case for the iPhone 14 Pro. So great colors here. These are 6 out of the 15 colors that you can get this case in. And of course, being a Casetify case, you can choose from over 2,000 print designs, and you can also go with custom text as well. So you've got tons of options with these Casetify cases. These are also going to give you 8.2 feet of drop protection. They're MagSafe, and they've got lots of recycled content. Really cool cases. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the construction of the MagSafe Impact Case, this is quite a rigid case, very little flex to it. We've got a hard polycarbonate back and more flexible TPU sides. Looking at the sides of the case, you can see you've got all these little flecks in it. These are from the recycled phone cases and other recycled material that make up this case. So it's part of Casetify's Recasetify program, where you can send in your old phone case and get a discount off a new one, and then they use the old one in making new ones. So that's great. The material here has a very nice look and feel to it. So again, hard back, does not have very much grip. The TPU sides have more grip, and then you've got a raised rim here around your camera area. Looking in the interior, so we've got this line of EcoShock material running around the perimeter. This is what gives you the 8.2 feet of drop protection. This also is rated for a much higher number of drops than your standard military drop standard protection. So normally mil-spec protection is for 26 4-foot drops. This one's rated for 109 8.2-foot drops, so significantly better. And overall, this is just a really nice, very slim case. Has a great feel in the hand, and it looks great on your phone. Putting your phone in this case is not difficult. Just start on your left-hand side. Make sure both your top and your bottom corners are in place. Then go over to your right-hand side and then clip on those corners. So once on, you can see we've got really quite a good fit on here. You've got some give over your buttons and port openings, but that's to be expected with these kind of TPU sides. Overall, I think we've got quite a good fit on here. And as far as the amount of lip you have, you are in good shape there. So I have a tempered glass screen protector on here. This one is by Flowlab. But if I didn't have this on here, you would of course have more visible lip. Even with it though, you are perfectly fine, nicely protected. And again, you do have that 8.2 feet of drop protection, and it's been tested for 109 drops, so that's really quite a lot. So looking down here at the bottom, you can see you got asymmetrical port openings for an asymmetrical port design, plenty of space even for most third-party lightning cables, so you should be good there. Going up the sides, you got a nice amount of grip here with this TPU. So the TPU looks beautiful. I do have concerns always about yellowing with TPU. The fact that you start off with something that's kind of colored to start with, almost yellow, only this is kind of orange. So if you start off with this color, maybe you're going to have less of an issue with yellowing, but it's always a concern with this type of material. In my experience, the darker and brighter you go, the less you're going to have an issue with yellowing. So clear TPU, you're pretty much doomed, but this color, you might still be okay. So going up here to our buttons, so these are nice and responsive. I do want to point out we have a slit button design, so it's possible that dust or dirt can get in those tiny slits, but other than that, they work really well. They're very responsive, and I think as long as you take your phone out reasonably often and clean it, then you're going to be okay. So looking here at your mute switch area, nice and easy to access. I don't think most people are going to have trouble with that. And then looking here at the top, excellent fit with this screen protector from Flowlab. Everything looks good. Then going over here to the side button works really well. And then of course we do have our recycling statement down here at the bottom. This is a part of the case, so maybe that's going to upset some people, but I think most people are going to be okay with it. Looking at the back of the case, this orange color looks absolutely gorgeous with my iPhone. I love the look of the gold and the orange together. Such a beautiful color, so vibrant. So this glossy polycarbonate is going to have an issue with fingerprints and with scratching. Not much you can do about fingerprints. As far as scratching is concerned, there is one thing about this case which is going to help with that just a bit, and that is that you've got a tiny ridge here at the bottom and also at the top, and those combined with your camera rim are going to raise the majority of the back of this phone case very slightly above a flat surface when this is put on its back, and that is going to help reduce everyday scratching. But that much said, you're still going to have an issue with scratching with this kind of a phone case. However, this back material shouldn't yellow because it's polycarbonate. Yellowing is potentially going to be an issue with the TPU sides. In my experience, the best way to avoid fingerprints and scratching on these cases is to go with a print version. I don't think it actually lessens the amount of fingerprints and scratching, but it does make them a whole lot less noticeable because your eyes are so busy looking at the print. So you've got over 2,000 print options with these cases. You can also go with custom text, so you've got a lot of options there. So overall, everything looks great, feels great. Back doesn't have any grip, but the sides do. And I'm loving the fact that you can have such a beautiful slim case and still have good drop protection. So as far as the amount of protection for your rear camera, you should be in good shape here. You got a raised rim here, definitely gives you lay on the table protection. And as far as wireless charging is concerned, you're not going to have any issue with regular Qi wireless charging, and MagSafe charging is going to work great because, of course, this is a MagSafe case. So we got a good amount of magnetic connection here. Everything's good there. You're also going to be able to use this with other MagSafe accessories, such as MagSafe wallets, like this one from Apple. Really nice combo here. Everything looks beautiful. And then, of course, you can also use this with my favorite type of MagSafe accessory, MagSafe power banks. So Casetify has a new line of MagSafe power banks. This one's 5,000 milliamp hours, and it looks just beautiful with this Casetify impact case. Removing this case from your phone is quite easy. Just start up in your top right-hand corner, push that off, go down to your bottom right-hand corner, push that off, and then pull out your phone. So moving on to the beautiful red color, also a lovely color for the Casetify case. Putting this one on the phone. So we got a really great look here with the red. Again, you got plenty of protection around your screen, even with a tempered glass screen protector in place. So everything looks beautiful there. Nice fit here with the port openings. I'm loving the recycled flex here on the sides. You can see our EcoShock material with that cool twisted pattern going around here. Everything looks beautiful. And then looking at the back, beautiful red, gold phone. What's not to love? Everything looks fantastic. And then moving on to beautiful sunshine yellow, such a great looking case. However, I am a little bit more worried about the TPU on this one turning yellow or a less attractive yellow color than it already is. So checking this one out on the phone. Just a beautiful, vibrant color. There is just lots to love here. And then looking at the back, just a gorgeous combo here with the gold iPhone. Moving on in a completely different direction, we have the cotton candy color. So this one is beautiful. So we got a gradient here. We've got blue moving slowly up into pink. And then on the back, you also have a very slight blue shading here at the bottom and pink up here at the top. So just a beautiful case, very unusual. Love the name Cotton Candy. So we got a really great look here. I'm loving the gradient of the colors. Just love the way this looks. And then on the back, so interesting here. This looks really, really cool on my phone. I think this might be my favorite color. That and the orange. I really do like the orange. So moving from Cotton Candy, which has some blue in it, to Sierra Blue, which is nothing but blue. Again, we got another beautiful case color. Bright, beautiful blue around the edges here. Great look from the bottom, great look from the sides. Just a lot to love here. Everything looks beautiful. And then finally moving from beautiful blue to lovely summery green. This is quite a nice color. Everything looks so lovely and fresh. Just a beautiful color. Looks great from the front, looks great from the sides, and looks lovely from the back. Lots to love here from Casetify. Again, we've been looking at some of the new colors available for the Casetify MagSafe Impact Case for the iPhone 14 Pro. These cases are available directly from Casetify and they're priced at $78. Although if you want to go with a non-MagSafe version, those are available for $68. You can go with a plain Impact Case or one personalized with custom text, but you also have the option to choose a print from Casetify's enormous graphics library, and all these options are available at no additional cost. The cases are relatively pricey, but you can save 15% by using the affiliate link, especially for my viewers, www.casetify.com/thetechreviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at Casetify for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot of tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.